Hi everyone. GoGuardian is back up. So to get things started for the year, you want to log into GoGuardian. So you could type in GoGuardian up here. And get to your GoGuardian page where you will sign in over here. Or you could just go to the bookmark you created last year. But once you log in, you click login, it's going to take you to log in with Google. Alright. So you want to use your GoGuardian.org account. And you may have to acknowledge a bunch of the privacy settings. And when you do that, you'll scroll to the whole way to the bottom and you have some buttons to click to get this far. But once you're here, there's a couple of things you need to do. You want to find your classes from last year. So this is one of my last year classes, Coding and Foundations of Computer Science. You want to go into your settings, and you want to check your scheduling. If you have something that's scheduled automatically from last year, you want to turn that off. So I'm going to turn off all these schedules because right now I'm controlling those kids from last year from 8:15 to 9:05, and I don't want to do that anymore. So after I've turned off all the scheduling from last year, go back to info and archive the class. Okay, so that's it for now. We'll talk more about creating new classes in just a minute.